Hello student, our today's topic is optical isomerism. The knowledge of optical isomerism is useful to understand the nucleophilic substitution reaction of alkyl halide. Optical isomers are type of stereoisomers, and in stereochemistry, stereoisomerism or spatial isomerism means it is a form of isomerism in which molecule have the same molecular formula and sequence of bonded atom, but the three-dimensional orientation is differ. Hence they are called the stereoisomers. Student, optical isomer is a type of stereoisomers, and in optically active compound or in optical isomers, there is one thing is necessary: the compound must have the asymmetric carbon atom or chiral carbon atom. Chiral carbon atom or chiral center means that the center or the carbon atom which is bonded to four different types of atoms or groups. An unsymmetric carbon atom is a carbon atom that is attached to four different types of atom or groups of. Student, see here the 2-chlorobutane. It is the example of asymmetric compound. In this compound, one asymmetric carbon atom is present. In 2-chlorobutane, total 4 carbon atoms are present. This is carbon atom number 1, carbon atom number 1, carbon atom number 2, carbon atom number 3, and carbon atom number 4. In carbon atom number 2, chlorine is attached. This is a 2-chlorobutane. See here, this is a carbon atom number 2, and in carbon atom number 2 there are 4 attachment. One is chlorine molecule and hydrogen molecule. See here CH2 single bond CH3, and here CH3 group is present. This carbon atom having 4 bonds and that are attached with 4 different groups or atoms. The carbon atom 2 is attached with one hydrogen atom, another chlorine atom, CH3 group, and C2H5 group. That means in this example, carbon atom number 2 of 2-chlorobutane attached with 4 different atoms or groups. Hence it is a chiral carbon atom or asymmetric carbon atom, and it is denoted by asterisk. In this way it is denoted. Optical isomers are two compounds which contain the same number and kinds of atoms and bonds and differ spatial arrangement of the atoms, but which have non-superimposable mirror image of each other. This is an example of optical isomer 2-chlorobutane. See here, this is a asymmetric carbon atom. These are asymmetric carbon atom, and the carbon atom is attached to 4 different atoms or groups. 2 atoms here present: chlorine, hydrogen, CH3 and C2H5. These two image A and image B are mirror image of each other, just like when we see into the mirror. In this way these are two mirror image, but these are non-superimposable mirror image. That means this image, when this image is put on this image, chlorine atom lies on the hydrogen and hydrogen lies on the chlorine. Hence these are non-superimposable mirror image. See here, this is a molecule and this is mirror image. This is just like a chlorine molecule, chlorine, hydrogen, CH3 group and C2H5. This is a mirror image, but this is a non-superimposable mirror image. Into the chiral object or asymmetric object, symmetry is absent. See here, just like our hand, just like our hand. Our hands are also non-superimposable mirror image of each other, because when we put our one hand onto the palm of other hand, there is no symmetry. Hence, these are non-superimposable mirror image. Again, this also non-superimposable mirror image, and this also non-superimposable mirror image. This means into the chiral object, symmetry is absent. In chiral object, symmetry is absent, and into the achiral object, symmetry is present. See here, all these three are symmetrical object or achiral object. In this way, student, this is a point of optical activity or chirality. What is mean by optical isomers? The optical isomers are the isomers which have the asymmetric carbon atom, and has this asymmetric carbon atom, and which can rotate the plane of plane polarized light either clockwise side direction or anti-clockwise side direction, are called optical isomers. And optical isomers must have the asymmetric or chiral carbon atom. Chiral carbon atom means the carbon atom which is bonded to 4 different types of atoms or groups. See here, this is a chiral carbon atom and attached to 4 different attachment. And optical isomer shows non-superimposable mirror image of each other. They are non-super mirror image of each other. See here, the molecule, and this is a mirror image, but this is a non-superimposable mirror image. And into chiral object, symmetry is absent, and into achiral object, symmetry is present. Student, I hope this is the introductory part of optical activity. In next period we study in details. So here we stop. Thank you.